What is going on, guys? And today I want to talk about Instagram influencers or theme pages and if you guys should use them in the beginning. So this Instagram influencer promo just went live and it's going pretty crazy right now. I'm at 648 and you can see I started at like just about less than an hour ago and it's still going strong. Pretty insane. So when it comes to looking for Instagram influencers or meme pages or theme pages or whatever you want to call them, check their engagement. There's a cool site that I always use to check engagement. The website is called socialblade.com. Check their average likes, their average comments, but I also recommend you going into their page and look at their recent post, click on it, click on the comments, check if they're legit or not, go into their likes, and just see if, the followers that are liking it are not just bots. So just make sure that the people who are liking their posts are legit and people who are commenting are not just commenting emojis, because usually that's a red flag. But yeah, when it comes to Instagram influencers, do your own research because there's a lot of fake pages that, blow up their numbers with fake followers and just fake engagement. And, you don't want to pay $100 for, a 500K page and just get scammed out of your money and make no sales. That's just, that sucks. We're over an hour in and so far we're at $846. I don't know if you can see that. What is going on, guys? So those clips I recorded that day got deleted, but this is like 3 weeks after. At the end of the day, I hit $4,000 in sales, which is insane. The next day I hit $2,000 just from that one promo, which is crazy. Like it's unheard of, like it's insane. I paid $70 for this promo. And I think what happened was it hit the explore page and it just went crazy. But I honestly recommend theme pages because it does not hurt to try and you never know, you could hit the explore page and it could just go crazy. If you guys have any questions, hit me up on Twitter at ECOM. And I'm also doing mentorships, so I have a link below for that if you want to get mentored by me one-on-one. And I hope you guys have a great day. See you guys later.